This video will show you how to operate special features and functions that come equipped with the following dishwasher models. Be sure to look at the manual for more details. The chime on-off function turns off the button sounds and the melody at the end of the cycle. To activate or deactivate the function, press and hold the half-load button for 3 seconds. If you run the dishwasher at night, the chime on-off function is a great feature for light sleepers. The machine clean icon will flash when it is time to clean the inside of the dishwasher and eliminate residual soils, odor, white spots, and other dirt. You can run the cycle using only water or add citric acid, white vinegar, or another cleaning agent that's dishwasher safe for more effective results. Do not add detergents. Empty the unit of any dishware, then press and hold heavy for 3 seconds to activate the machine clean cycle. The machine clean icon will reset automatically after the machine clean cycle is run. To reset the icon manually, press and hold the delicate button for 3 seconds. The icon will stop flashing until it is once again time to clean the dishwasher. The control lock feature helps prevent settings from being changed during a cycle. This feature locks all of the buttons on the control panel except for the power button. Press and hold dual zone for 3 seconds to activate or deactivate this function. The control lock indicator will illuminate on the control panel if the feature is activated. Note: you must deactivate the control lock feature to select new settings. The control lock feature does not lock the door.